Assalamu alaikum. Learn with Nawaz में खुश आमदीद. Friends, today we will discuss about different countries and their capitals, their currencies and their flags. So we will start our video. Let us start. The first country is Iraq. The capital of Iraq is Baghdad and its currency is Iraqi dinar and its official language is Arabic and Kurdish. The flag you also watch on the screen. The next country is India. The capital of India is New Delhi. Its currency is rupees, Indian rupees, and the flag is also watched on the screen. The next country is Iran. The capital of Iran is Tehran. Currency is Iranian rial, and the official language is Persian. And the flag is also watched on the screen and map also. The next country is Afghanistan. The capital of Afghanistan is Kabul and its currency is Afghani and official language of Afghanistan is Persian and Dari, Persian and Pashto. And flag is also watched on the screen. The next country is Maldives. The capital of Maldives is Mali and currency is Maldivian Rufiya and its official language is Diwali. And the next country is Pakistan. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad and its currency is Pakistani rupees and official language of Pakistan is English and Urdu. The world map of Pakistan is also watched on the screen and flag also. The next country is Russia. The capital of Russia is Moscow and its currency is Russian ruble and official language of Russia is Russian and flag is also watched on the screen. The next country is Macau. The capital of Macau is Macau City and its continent is Asia and official language is Chinese and so on. The next country is Nepal. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Official language of Nepal is Nepali and currency is rupee. And flag is also watched on the screen. It is most different, unique type flag of Nepal. The next country is Philippines. The capital of Philippines is Manila and its currency is Philippine peso and official language is Filipino. Official language is Filipino and its map is also watched on a screen and flag also. The next country is Sri Lanka. The capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardene Court. Sri Jayawardene Court and its old capital was Colombo and the flag is also watched on the screen and its world map also. And the next country is Indonesia. The capital of Indonesia is Jakarta and its new capital is Nusantara. The Nusantara is a new capital of Indonesia and its currency is Indonesian rupiah and official language is Indonesian. The next country is Singapore. The capital of Singapore is Singapore City and its currency is Singapore dollar and its map is also watched on the screen and flag also. The next country is Mongolia. The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar and its currency is Togrog and official language is Mongolian. The world map of Mongolia is also watched on the screen and its flag also. The next country is Taiwan. The capital of Taiwan is Taipei and its currency is New Taiwanese dollar and its language is Standard Chinese. And its map also watch on the screen and flag also. And Taiwan is an originally Republic of China. It was under the administration of China. Next country is Laos. The capital of Laos is Vientiane. Its currency is Kyps and official language is Lao and you also watch the world map of Lao on the screen and flag also. The next country is Brunei. The capital of Brunei is Bandar Seri Begawan is the capital of Brunei. The national flag of Brunei is you also watch on the screen, and its world map is also watch on the screen. The language is Brunei is Malay. Our currency is Brunei dollar. Brunei dollar is the currency of Brunei. And the next country is uh, Vietnam. The capital of Vietnam is Hanoi, and its currency is Dong. And the official language of Vietnam is Vietnamese, and its world map is also watched on the screen and flag too. The next country is Turkey. The capital of Turkey is uh, Ankara, and its currency is Turkish lira, and official language of Turkey is Kurdish, Zaza Arabic, and so on. The world map is also watched on the screen. The next country is Thailand. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok, and its currency is baht, and its language is Thai. Its language is Thai, and you also watch the world map of Thailand on the screen and the flag also. The next country is Bangladesh. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Its currency is Taka, and official language of Bangladesh is Bengali, and world map of Bangladesh is also watch on the screen and flag also. And next country is Cambodia. The capital of Cambodia is Phnom Penh, and currency is real, and official language of Cambodia is Khmer, and the world map of Cambodia is also watched on this screen. It looks like just as a cat, and flag is also. The next country is China. The capital of China is Beijing. Currency is renminbi or yuan, and official language of China is standard Chinese, and world map of China is also watched on the screen, and this is the largest populated country in the world, and its flag has 5 stars. The next country is Georgia. The capital of Georgia is Tbilisi. Its currency is Georgian lari, and its official language is Georgian Ab, Ab, Abka, Abkhazian. Abkhazian is its official language, and a world map is also watched on the screen, and its flag is also have a unique style. And the next country is East Timor. The capital of East Timor is Dili. Currency is dollar. Language is Tetum, Portuguese, Indonesian, English, so on. And its world map is also watched on the screen. Its flag also. Next country is South Korea. The capital of South Korea is Seoul, and the currency of South Korea is Korean Republic won, and the flag of Korea is also watched on the screen, and its world map is also on the screen. The next country is Democratic Republic of Korea in North Korea. The capital of North Korea is Pyongyang, and currency is Korean People's Won, and official language is Korean. And you watch the world map of North Korea also on the screen, and its flag also. Now we will discuss the Arabic countries in sequence wise. Arab countries are totally different from Asian country because all countries have their Arabic language. The first country is United Arab Emirates. The capital of United Arab Emirates is Abu Dhabi. A currency is UAE dirham. UAE dirham is the currency of UAE, and the official language is Arabic. And its world map is also on the screen, and you also watch the flag of United Arab Emirates on the screen. It's very important to learn about the world map. The next country is Syria. The capital of Syria is Damascus, and its currency is Syrian pound. The official language of Syria is Arabic. Arabic, and you can also watch the world map of Syria on the screen, and its flag also. It is very important to remember the flags of every country. The next country is Oman. The capital of Oman is Muscat, and its currency is Omani Riyal, and official language is Arabic. You also watch the world map of Oman on the screen, and its flag also. You must remember the flag of every country and every nation. The next country is Qatar. The capital of Qatar is Doha. The capital of Qatar is Doha, and its currency is Qatari Riyal, and official language of Qatar is Arabic. You also watch the world map of Qatar on the screen, and its flag also. The next country is Lebanon. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut. Its currency is Lebanese pound, and official language is Arabic. And you can also watch the world map of Lebanon on the screen, and flag also. It is very important to remember the flag of every country. The next country is Kuwait. The capital of Kuwait is Kuwait City, and the currency of Kuwait is Kuwaiti dinar, and official language of Kuwait is Arabic. And you also watch the world map of Kuwait on the screen, and flag also. The next country is Jordan. The capital of Jordan is Amman, and its currency is Jordanian dinar, and the official language is Arabic. And you also watch the unique world map structure on the screen, and its flag also. It has a unique world map structure, just like Kulhari axis. The next country is Armenia. The capital of Armenia is Yerevan, and its currency is dram, D-R-A-M, dram, and official language is Armenian. The next country is Israel. The capital of Israel is Jerusalem, and its currency is new shekel. And the language of Israel is Hebrew. Hebrew is the official language of Israel, and you also watch the world structure on the screen. The next country is Palestine. The capital of Palestine is also claimed as Jerusalem, and it is also an Arabic country. You watch on the screen. The next country, Central Asian countries. We will discuss the Central Asian countries here. The first country of Central Asian is Turkmenistan. The capital of Turkmenistan is Ashgabat. The capital of Turkmenistan is Ashgabat, and its currency is Manat. Manat is the currency of Turkmenistan. The next country is Kazakhstan. The capital of Kazakhstan is Nur Sultan or Astana. Nur Sultan or Astana is also the capital of Kazakhstan. The currency is a Ting, T-E-N-G. Ting is the currency of Kazakhstan. Official language is Kazakh. Kazakh is the official language of Kazakhstan, and world map is also on the screen, and flag also. The next country is Kyrgyzstan. The capital of Kyrgyzstan, Bishkek. The capital of Kyrgyzstan is Bishkek, and its currency is Som. And official language of Kyrgyzstan is Kyrgyz. Kyrgyz is the official language of Kyrgyzstan, and world map is also on the screen. The next country is Azerbaijan. The capital of Azerbaijan is Baku, and its currency is Manat, and its official language is Azerbaijani. Azerbaijani is the official language of Azerbaijan, and you also watch this world map of Azerbaijan on the screen, and its flag also. It's very important to remember every flag of the country. The next country is Uzbekistan. The capital of Uzbekistan is Tashkent, and its currency is Som, and its official language is Uzbek is the official language of Uzbekistan. Its world structure is also on the screen. The next country is Tajikistan. The capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe and its currency is Somani. And official language of Tajikistan is Tajiki. You also watch the world structure of Tajikistan on the screen and also world map on the screen. It is very important to remember the world structure and its flag of every country. Then now we will discuss few countries that have that exist both in Asia and Europe. एशिया एंड यूरोप दोनों में जो एग्जिस्ट करते हैं उसके ऊपर हम डिस्कस करेंगे. इसमें पहला आता है जॉर्जिया. जॉर्जिया भी जो ऐसा कंट्री है जो एशिया और यूरोप दोनों में आता है. इट एग्जिस्ट बोथ एशिया एंड यूरोप. द नेक्स्ट कंट्री इज़ काज़ाकिस्तान. काज़ाकिस्तान एग्जिस्ट इन एशिया एज वेल एज इन यूरोप. द third country is Turkey. Turkey is larger part of Turkey is in Asia and its smaller part is in Europe. And Russia. And the next country is Russia. Russia, the largest part of Russia is in Asia and its smaller part is Europe. So this was the